back, y'all.
What's up, y'all? It's
Dia.
It's Kay.
Your boy China.
Your boy Sia.
And today we're coming to y'all with another mukbang. We got crawfish, we got potatoes, we got shrimp, and we got sausage. So yeah, we finna feast.
And he don't eat this, so he not gonna eat it. So yeah.
Yeah.
Finna eat.
So they finna sit here and watch y'all eat, right?
Yes, and we gonna talk.
Bro, y'all see that yellow thing? Y'all know that yellow thing in the crawfish thing is nasty.
I
Don't eat it.
This part.
Oh, this not boo-boo.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Did y'all hear that?
Heard that thump.
Y'all can dip it in the sauce if y'all want. Oh, you don't eat this.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. All right.
Okay, y'all, but today we're gonna be talking about attractive and unattractive things about males and females.
Wait.
So let me get started. No, I'm not gonna start. Andy, you start.
All right, I'll start. I have a question. Okay.
Okay.
Y'all listening?
Yeah.
Alright. Why do boys, like, say for instance, you like a girl, right? Why do boys be mean to her if they like her?
Yeah.
That's so weird. That's so stupid.
Like hitting them and stuff like that.
Yes. Like not in a plain way. Like some dudes be liking you, but be serious when they talk about you. Like, they be so serious.
I don't know too much about that part.
Yeah, it just.
But you know.
To be honest, the only reason I did it because I saw people doing it and they was getting girls, so I was like, I might as well try it, and it worked. So
I don't hate females.
I don't hit. I'm just saying like stuff that they do, well, that we do, just to get attention on them. The same way like y'all give us a look or whatever, stuff like that.
Yeah, stuff like that.
Okay. So, make sure y'all talk loud.
Oh, it's our turn, right?
Oh,
Okay, yeah, you can
Yeah,
go.
because it's.
oh
Be
no,
loud,
no.
like-
Oh no.
Make sure you can hear. I mean, they can hear you.
Okay, so.
Oh no, I got a question.
No.
I got a question.
All right, go. All right, go.
Why do females have the need to wear makeup?
I don't need to wear
Okay,
makeup.
it's never a need, honey. It's just
I mean,
No, some girls it is. Some girls it is neat. When that makeup come on,
oh,
But there's certain people, but I don't need to because I just do it because I like it. So, to me, I like to do makeup. And then there's no point in watching all these makeup tutorials if you're not going to try it yourself, to me. So, it don't mean that I need it just because I wear it.
yeah. I just
that sauce is good. What's in there?
Taylor made that.
but
Yeah, money's nasty,
no. Okay. So for me, like I like to do creative stuff with my face, enhance your beauty. So, I don't see no problem with that.
but God made you the way you supposed to look without that. So
And then I don't wear makeup every day. I'm not wearing makeup right now.
Tonight you'll be wearing makeup.
I will not. But all right, you trying to? Oh wait. Oh, you had a question.
Let me see this sauce.
Okay. Let me see. What's a question I can ask?
I'm tired of going over there. Can you go get a bowl or something?
Can we just put it?
Yeah, put me on the sauce.
Yeah, y'all. I made this sauce because I ain't have Be Lovely sauce, so I had to make my own sauce.
It's
And
hot.
it's mukbang. It's hot.
This is hot.
What you mean? Like it's hot or it's spicy?
I'm talking about this is hot, like steaming.
Oh. Okay. What's the question I can ask y'all?
I don't know. It was on y'all.
What's on there?
So.
Ugh, y'all see that, bro? Let me show you. That is nasty.
So, I don't know. And you asked
Bro.
another question. I gotta think.
Hold on, y'all. Cause I'm trying to eat. Oh, I got a question.
Ah,
Okay. I
yeah,
got
you got
one. Okay, so what lets you know that you really like a girl? and that you're not really just talking to them? What lets you know you want to cuff them?
When she is
Always down.
majority, not 100%, but at least majority of what you're looking for.
Okay.
Ain't no girl gonna be perfect. Ain't no girl gonna be perfect.
Okay, what you looking for then?
Yeah.
I mean, a smart girl, fun, got a little body, intelligent, you want to be something in life. So,
Okay.
Okay. Y'all turn.
what are y'all looking for, man?
Ooh. I could go on and on. I know it.
And you sound like a kid. On and on.
I beat that.
No, I'm gonna get a smaller one.
Dang, how y'all can eat that?
Good. You have did you get a shrimp?
You gotta roll that mug
How you strong
with
with
all the sauce.
Okay.
You like the potatoes?
With the sauce, yeah.
salt shake?
Okay. Anyways, y'all. I got a question. Okay. Wait, hold on. Oh yeah, that's what y'all asked us.
What?
Okay. First off, a dude gotta be goofy like me. If he ain't willing to sit down and laugh with me, then you already not boyfriend
So
material.
what if he's like having a bad day and you want him to sit down and laugh?
No, that's not what I'm
That's
saying.
understandable.
Right.
But I mean, like, if I'm with you and I'm joking with you and you're not catching the joke, or you're not even trying to, like, you know, participate in, like, the goofiness,
Right.
then I don't want to mess with you.
Well, hey, so what?
Well, I mean, like everybody ain't like that. Though,
Yeah.
so.
Yeah, but, like, still, you got to have, like, you got to have a little edge to you.
You gotta have personality.
You gotta have humor. Like, nobody wants to just sit there and be still. Like, I want to be able to joke with you.
All I get what y'all saying, basically, like y'all combining goofiness a little bit. Basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that, please.
But I like a dude that's laid back. I don't want no dude that's just lame, always be in the class pound or whatever. I don't like that.
You ain't never
I wanna-
been to a class clown before.
Huh?
You ain't never been to like a dude that's been a class clown.
Yeah, when I was younger, but as you grow up, like, all that childish stuff, you don't want to be dealing with that. I don't see you progressing and making a change as you get older, then
No, this must be getting messy.
Okay. It is crawfish.
I want to make an announcement about the city view.
You gotta be louder so they can hear you.
I want to make a announcement about City Hill High School.
We going to state this year. State
You already
run,
know.
We gonna win. Facts.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah, she yeah.
It's the
This
Jesus.
mukbang. This mukbang is the bang. Yes, sir.
Ooh.
all right. What's another question?
Dang, bro.
Whoa.
Okay. Would y'all? Okay. What if a girl had like she got exposed like earlier in high school, but like she seemed like she loyal now and she really trying to talk to you, and you think that she's attractive? Would you give her a chance and not just consider her as a thought?
See, that you gotta give like you gotta be talking for like a long time. Like they gotta be like a few months type. Like just talk.
Me personally, if it's a girl that has that's put stuff out there
Mhm.
Before.
But look.
But look, but like,
hey, dang it.
But look,
Bro, can he talk, bro?
Yeah,
Let me
can I
get it out.
What I'm saying is, if the girl, basically, if she did it, and it had been a while before since I had, well, a while after since I had talked to her, after her mistake, then maybe, but I had to make sure that, like, she's not gonna, like, put herself out there.
No, I mean, like, what if she had an ex-boyfriend and she sent stuff to him, and he decided, like, after they broke up, to oppose her and expose her?
but then you can't get mad 'cause
Yeah, I mean,
I mean, you just wanna,
be childish, basically, and get back at you, or whatever.
but then she can't ever do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Besides them sending it to me. Excuse me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all gotta ask us a question.
But
What's looking at ass? Okay. Why do some boys think that girls who smoke are unattractive?
That is unattractive. I hate
Hey,
that.
that's
I
really
hate that.
attractive.
So you wouldn't date a girl who smoked?
No.
I mean, my girlfriend smoke, but she know I get on her.
I'm gonna eat this eyeball.
Don't.
What? I can't eat the
That's
eyeball.
nasty.
Man, I wouldn't eat the eyeball. I'm gonna try it.
Well, what if it's poisonous? You just don't know.
That could, they wouldn't have
No, because they be sucking the whole head.
Yeah. Ooh. These are hard.
Oh, it's too nasty, dog.
You're disgusting.
Well, it tastes like nothing.
No.
You got anything in here?
A little bit. You can't hear this good.
That's why I put my
Like,
cook.
y'all putting your mouth in it.
What?
Nasty.
Y'all drink, y'all put your mouth in the same cup.
You already know we do this.
I swear to God, I've never seen y'all do that before.
Boy, you've been doing this for a long time.
We ain't doing nothing with our mouths.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, you're right.
Bro,
Bro, shut up.
Okay. Right. Oh, you just splashed all in my face.
Okay, y'all turn.
Oh, it's my turn. I ain't asked a question yet. Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
what job would be y'all last option to go to if y'all was just desperate for a job? What job would it be?
Stripping.
Stripping.
For real?
I thought that'd be
Shake
y'all
my
first.
booty to can't shake
Y'all first. Well,
Excuse my one. I'm just hungry.
Ooh, this dude is getting on my
why would it be
nerves.
the first choice though?
Let's scoot over here.
Yeah.
Why is we handling it like this?
Over here.
Okay, but like if I had like responsibilities and like a 9 to 5 wasn't cutting it, I'm just gonna have to go straight.
Because I'm trying to make the best out of my life. And if stripping is going to get me money, that's what I'm going to have to do.
And then like when I'm stripping, I would save it. I wouldn't just be.
Yeah, I wouldn't be stupid with it.
I wouldn't want it to be my career. It would be something that.
Yeah.
Okay, I have another question. For what's y'all figures like number wise
What you mean?
that y'all? Can I finish the question?
I'm saying.
But okay, when y'all out of high school, at about 5 years after that, how much money do y'all think y'all be making by then? 6 figures, 7 figures, what?
I don't
At least 6 figures.
know. Yeah. I
I
want to be
Me
living
personally,
Lord
like.
bless.
Me
I want to
personally,
be living like Year and Ken.
my goal is to make it the highest. So which is my highest right now is $1 million to $2 million. By 5 years, yeah, I want to make that. Because at that point I feel like I'm set. Because I know how to get back to the millions if I did go down.
Wait, so question. So you trying to go to the NFL, right?
Yeah.
Are you trying to finish college before
No,
and get your degree?
Oh,
I'm trying to get drafted my
Yeah, junior year.
I'm not trying to stay my senior year.
Um,
But hopefully by that time by our time in like at least our sophomore year, hopefully they change it and be like sophomores, then they can go to the NFL. Besides,
But then they
junior.
don't have enough film. They just been 2 years.
I know. Yeah, that's true.
I mean, it's kind of.
I just hope because I keep hearing my dad told me that they supposed to be paying kids in college eventually. They talking about doing that. So if I get paid to go to college,
That's a lot of money though.
That's a lot of money.
all right. We're moving on now.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry.
What's y'all definition of a perfect girlfriend?
We just answered this.
No, I'm not talking about looks. I'm talking about like personality wise and like how she is in a relationship and stuff.
Well, she can't be all with that drama.
Yeah, I don't like girls with drama. I stay from.
I mean, I could deal with everything else, but drama, can't deal with it.
So you could deal if like her attitude changed like every 2 seconds.
No.
1 minute she nice.
What about a
I mean-
moody female?
Yeah.
Like a female that don't always want to be bothered.
yeah.
No.
Then she,
No,
then no point in being around
yeah,
her.
that just might well be just.
But, like-
But you said you could deal with anything but drama.
I mean, it is kind of drama because it'll create.
Yeah.
Like a mess.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, me personally,
So I got anger issues, so
I just like I don't see nothing wrong with being moody every now and then. Sometimes you just don't want to be bothered. Sometimes you just need your alone time. I feel like
you gotta
everybody.
tell them though.
Yeah, like of course that.
Yeah, I could understand, but like, I give you a space.
Okay, what's one thing y'all don't like about females, or like y'all don't like what females do in relationships?
Be different around their friends. I hate that.
But I know he not talking. He said be different around their friends.
No, I'm talking about relationship wise. You're not my girlfriend. You're my sister. I'm talking
But
about
still,
like,
if you can do it with your own sister,
I mean, they gonna be acting all goofy with it.
Well, you trying to? What's your thing?
Huh?
Did you say something?
So they gonna be goofy with it. And then like, when they gonna, I can't say the word.
no homo, but it's not enough.
What
for these
is-
things.
yeah, it's like it's so
It's
big,
not
but it
enough
ain't
meat.
nothing.
Yeah, ain't no meat in there.
But it's still good. Yeah, you still digging your
Hey, I'm hungry, of course.
Okay. Y'all can ask something now. Y'all want to just ask the same thing back to us or something?
What's a good definition of a good man to y'all?
No.
Good
if you
man.
are-
We
if you
just
was-
answered it.
No, if you was a boy, what sport would you play?
Football.
Football,
Football.
So you want
football, basketball, but most likely football, especially being in Cedar Hill.
Boy, I do
So what
football.
position would you play in?
I want to tackle people all the
So,
time.
so you would be like a linebacker.
Linebackers big.
not really. Not all the time. Not all the time. Really, it depends on how good you are.
Cause Tamar,
Yeah, because Tamar's skinny.
yeah, he's skinny, but he can hit hard. Hit hard. He
Shout out to tomorrow.
AKA Twitch.
Twitch.
Yeah, that boy crazy.
Okay.
So what would you play in?
She didn't play QB.
She'll play slide.
Quarterback
Yeah,
cage.
she'll play
What
slide.
slide?
Inside
But inside
receiver.
receiver that catch the ball.
Yeah, I can do that.
So you can score, basically? Yeah, that's good. Because India be on defense trying to light you up. And you'll be trying to shake her.
I wish I knew what you was talking about.
Basically, if she catch the ball, then you got to tackle her. Basically.
Man, that's not always gonna happen. One time it happened,
Look at all this stuff on my
like if the slide go in.
Okay, I got a question for y'all. Would you rather your girl to be bald or no hair anywhere?
No hair anywhere.
So you want? No, I mean hair everywhere. Cause that didn't make sense.
Ball? Yeah, ball.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, she could put on a good frontal.
No, she gotta worry about. Ooh.
Oh, no.
What y'all gonna do?
I take that back. Hair everywhere.
What?
The reason I say that is because she can get shaved and like shave her hair.
No, she can't.
Bald.
Hair
Bald-
everywhere.
bald
She
you
has
can't.
to be that way.
But you didn't put it that way though.
Okay, well I'm putting it that way.
Well, ball.
Okay.
Okay, so you.
Baby gonna have a slick head. Yes, sir. You can't grab
All
that
right,
down.
y'all turn.
Alright.
No. Alright.
So you can shut up on there.
Would y'all sleep like in a 100 hospital? For like 2 million?
Wait, what?
Sleep one night in a 100 hospital for one night.
For
For
12,
20 million.
20 minutes. Ooh, 100.
No,
Like,
I can't do it.
boy,
Cause you
I
don't know,
would.
you don't know if you'll come out alive.
On crib by Come here, what?
Okay, but what if you don't come out alive? What is that 20
It's
years gonna
haunting.
do?
I ain't
Then what
scared.
if you
I ain't
come
scared.
out, you come out alive, right? But then you gonna be haunted with that,
Or that
with
same
that,
memory.
yeah, for the rest of your life.
Caitlin, you're putting the same crawfish back on the plate, and if I grab one more crawfish that you didn't get off of,
My bad. Oh, I didn't even know y'all was doing that right there. My bad.
Golly.
I didn't even know y'all was doing it right there. I swear.
This thing 23 minutes.
Okay, let's do some interesting questions.
yeah, we're just like getting one.
Oh, I'm sore. I don't know.
And whose turn is it? Oh, it's
I
our
don't like
turn.
being on camera like this, but I'm doing it for y'all. So I don't know.
Oh, you know, it's meat up in the hand.
Huh?
Meat up in the hands.
This plate, this part.
I need a lot of crawfish.
I need a lot of crawfish.
I ain't really had that much shrimp.
Okay,
How y'all feel about y'all teachers?
I don't think Miss Lewis off the top.
Boy,
We're
the
just
real
going
Miss
like-
Lewis, boy, she's a no-go.
all my teachers cool now that I done got transferred.
Who your geometry teacher?
Coach Neal.
I don't like this teacher, Miss Tate.
Miss Tate, yeah, didn't nobody like Miss Tate last year.
Because she do too much with the phones. She like,
What she teach?
make sure you, she said you gotta walk out of her class to pull out your phone. Like, if she see you walking out, like, say for instance, the bell ring and it's time to go. She see you walking out and you pulling out your phone. Give her that phone, you gotta get it back at the end of the day. Like,
I know this ain't all me, bro. I know you had to do some of
Oh,
this.
there goes something right there. For sure.
What is that substance, bro?
You gotta
What
get
is
that.
that liquid?
It's what it boiled in. I mean, boil. With that liquid. Okay. What's an interesting question to ask? Why do boys cheat?
For some reason, my
Cut.
girls cheat.
No, we cheat for different reasons.
Okay, so give me y'all reason, then I'll tell y'all why.
We either cheat because the person we cheat on them with, we are emotionally attached to them, or we cheat
So then why get in a
because
relationship?
we cheat because y'all cheat.
If you emotionally
Bro.
attached, why would you want to
bro, you scared me. I thought you was doing
I had looked at him like,
What is wrong with you?
That mother takes like a straight dude. bro.
Right there. Oh. What is wrong with you?
okay, what was you saying? You trying to?
I said, if you emotionally attached to them, why would you get in another?
Ooh, boy. Hey,
Why would you
man.
get in another relationship?
Answer that question.
Shut up, Cedric. Okay, because okay, maybe that person that you're still emotionally attached to wasn't in your life when you got with that other person. Boom.
See, there goes
Hey, and I'm not defending cheating. This is all just no, y'all. This was y'all question. This was y'all question. Y'all didn't even answer it.
I would tell you why I would cheat. I would cheat because I really wouldn't care about this. Now, this is the old me. I really didn't care about the female. Really didn't.
Bro, somebody threw up the one in this head.
I said, on the other hand, what's your reason for cheating, big dog?
You're a player. Oh, you had
What
this?
is
You had this
this?
out here?
Yeah. My reason to cheat, man, is one reason and one reason. No. One reason, majority of the time. Majority of the time. But the other ones are I'm not checking no more. The girl that I was messing with looked better than the girl I was with. Or
Dang, that's that hurt.
or I'm not feeling you no more. So I'm just gonna cheat. Now Never mind, shut up. Yeah, keep going, guys. Keep going.
Okay. Y'all supposed to be asking this question now.
I just asked you.
What you ask? What you
No,
ask?
that was your Caitlin question. Ooh. She said, why do y'all cheat?
Okay, yeah.
So,
So
what y'all cheat? Oh, y'all did.
We already-
Oh my God,
I
y'all
did.
did.
So-
Y'all heard that? I ain't hear it, boy. I don't know what I just said. It said, yep, 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 yep.
Have y'all ever been caught up in a relationship?
what you mean called it?
I ain't
Like,
never
caught up
had a
by cheating?
relationship.
Like, yeah, cheating.
Yeah, I have.
No.
I have.
Like, okay, look.
mean-
when I cheated, I told on myself. So
If I got caught, I ain't even.
Cedric.
I'm trying to find the sausage, man.
Stop digging all through
Yeah.
it. Okay, bro, just eat some crawfish. Bro,
It's almost gone. I can't believe it's almost
I
gone.
ain't
What's your
even to be on this.
Y'all don't see these shrimp and sausage and everything down there, man?
Okay.
Okay.
Sit down.
Still.
Okay, hold on.
Is that all this?
You
You see how you handling the food?
I'm a real one, man.
Here goes
Yeah.
sausage. I don't like sausage. Oh, here goes some.
I'm looking for the shrimp.
All the shrimp gone.
No.
Yes, sir.
What be digging through it like that? You
Yes.
trying to look for the shrimp?
Yes.
Find the shrimp before you.
All I see is some nasty ass sausage. A nasty sausage.
Sausage. Where you see sausage?
Right here.
Right, where?
Okay.
He ate them all.
Oh.
Okay, y'all. Bro, sit down
Okay, I'm
before you
done.
doing tonight. Dang.
I'm hungry, man. I'm done. I'm done. Who's this?
Okay, it's y'all turn.
Okay, when y'all get married, what would be the perfect honeymoon? Like place to go?
Oh,
Out
place
of
to
the
go.
country, boy.
Place to go.
You I realized what you said.
Shit,
I don't know. It don't really matter as long as we're romantic and we're just having a great time.
To be honest,
it don't matter.
I just want the nice hotel.
Yes.
Cause that's the only
Chilling.
place we gonna be.
So what y'all gonna do that
And
night?
then I want to be somewhere.
He said, "What y'all gonna do that night?"
Hey, we all know what people do.
Well, hey, I'm 16, but it'll be 17 in 18 more days. So I'm gonna say it. Cedric, hold up. Cedric Bernard West Jr. gonna be them chicks.
And them chicks, right?
Them chicks.
He's lame. So those of you who think that Sad's cool, no, he's not.
All right, y'all. I think we're about done with this video.
Yeah, it was fun. I'm really full.
Yeah, I'm really full, and it's almost gone anyway.
Yeah.
See y'all later in the next video.
No.
Bye.
Follow me on Instagram, Jew for
Oh my
number
God.
6IX. Jew for 6IX. Don't forget that. JUFOR number 6 IX.
All right, y'all. We'll see y'all.
All right, we'll see y'all guys. Bye, you guys.
Bye.